Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This is 12th standard CBSE, 4th chapter, determinants, exercise 4.4. First sum, write minor and cofactor of the following determinant. Determinant, it is a 2 by 2, the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, that is 2 rows and 2 columns. You can take it as let A equal to determinant of 2 minus 4, 0, 3. It consists of 2 rows and 2 columns. Usually matrix we will write as A11, A12, A21, A22. It means that is first row and first column. This element represent first row and first column. This is first row and second column. This is second row and first column, and this is second row and second column. Now we will find out the minor of this determinant. First one, minor of A11, that is first row and first column. This is row and this is column. First row and first column, it is nothing but see 2 minus 4, 0, 3. A11 is nothing but this element. You delete that corresponding rows and columns. What is the remaining number left out? It's nothing but 3. So M11 equal to 3. Minor of A11 is nothing but 3. Next we move on to the next one, M12. M12, the same thing, 2 minus 4, 0, 3. That is first row, second column. First row, second column. This number you delete row and column. You delete that row and column. What is the number left out? The number is 0. You come to the next one, M21. M21 is 2 minus 4, 0, 3. Second row, first column. Second row, first column, this element. So you delete that row and column. What is the number left out? It is nothing but minus 4. M22. 2 minus 4, 0, 3. Second row and second column. Second row and second column. So you delete that corresponding row and column. What is the number left out? It's nothing but 2. So what is the value of M11? M11 equal to 3. M12 equal to 0. M21 equal to minus 4. M22 equal to 2. So this is the minor of the given determinant. Then we move on to the cofactor. Cofactor is nothing but Aij or Cij. Aij or Cij. The formula for the cofactor is nothing but minus 1 whole to the power I plus j Mij. See, I represent row and j represent column. You have seen here 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. This is represent I and j. I represent row and j represent column. Aij, it is a cofactor. Aij or Cij, it's equal to, what is the formula? You are having minus 1 whole power I plus j into Mij. C11 or A11. C11 or A11. This is I and this is j. This is I and this is j is equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j. What is I? 1. What is j? 1. So 1 plus 1 M11. So it gives minus 1 the whole square into what is M11 number? The number is 3. So it gives the answer is 3. So C12. C12 equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into M12. So minus 1 the whole cube minus 1 the whole cube. What is the number for M12? M12 equal to 0. So it gives 0 into any number, it gives 0. We want to C21. C21 equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 M21. M21 equal to what is? See here, M21 minus 1 the whole cube. Minus 1 the whole cube. What is M21 value? M21 value is equal minus 4 into minus 4. So minus 1 into minus 4. The answer is 4. That is the cofactor of C21 is 4. Next, C22. C22 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, what is the value? M22. What is M22 here? See, minus 1 whole power 4. What is M22 here? M22 value is equal to 2 into 2. So it gives minus 1 whole power 4 is equal to 1. 1 into 2, the value is equal to 2. See here, what is the value of C11? C11 equal to 3. C12 equal to 0. C21 equal to 4. C22 equal to 2. This is the minor and cofactor of the 2 by 2 determinant. The second subdivision, you can take it as the same thing, let A equal to determinant of AC, BD. Should find out the value of minor and cofactor of the given determinant. The same thing you can write A11, A12, A21, A22. So I already told you M11. That is nothing but a minor of A11. You exclude that corresponding row and column. What is the remaining number left out? It's nothing but D. Okay, the same thing we move on to M12. First row and second column. See, 1, 2. First row, second column. This is first row and this is second column. You delete that first row and second column. What is the remaining term left out? It's nothing but B. So we move on to M21. M21, second row and first column. The 2 is represent row and 1 is represent column. Okay, second row and first column. So you can delete that second row and first column. This is the remaining term left out. It's nothing but C. Next, M22. M22, it's second row and second column. Second row and second column. You delete that second row and second column. The remaining element left out is A. So the same thing we want to cofactor Cij or Aij equal to, what is the formula? Minus 1 whole power I plus j into Mij. I represent row and j represent column. I represent row and j represent column. So see here, A11, cofactor of A11. Cofactor of the first element, A. That is nothing but A11. A11 equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 M11. So it gives minus 1 the whole square. What is the value of M11? D. So the answer is D. Next, A12. Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into M12. M12 minus 1 the whole cube into, what is M12? M12 is nothing but B. So it gives minus 1 into B. The answer equal to minus B. Next, A21. A21 equal to A21 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 M21. So minus 1 the whole cube into, what is M21? C. So it gives minus 1 into C. The answer is minus C. Next, A22. A22. A22 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 M22. So it gives minus 1 the whole power 4. What is M22? M22 is A. So the answer is A. So these are the cofactors. A11 equal to D, A12 equal to minus B, A21 equal to minus C, and A22 equal to A.